Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this prank, I built a Lego ship and it took for 1 month. And subscribe and hit the caution button and thumbs up. But guys, I've already done this, but I'm really sorry. Like I didn't show you like the whole video. I didn't know, I don't wanted to show you it because like it'll be like a long one. Like you can't like wake up and like show it to like a month and like all night. But I'm really sorry. But I'll show you next year and it's gonna be epic. And it's gonna be epic thing. But it's gonna be more epic. It's like but sorry guys, let's not talk about that. It's like put it on the shit. And then I was talking about it. I think that one was a bummer, but I can fix this. Hey guys, this is really hard, but I can fix it. There. And we're gonna put this last guy on the tip of the ship. Right here. Wait, we're gonna put it. Wait, sorry, Took. His name is Took. I know it sounds like it, two, but it's Took. Wait, hey Took, stop falling off. There we go, so we can take a picture now. 1 second, this is gonna be paused. 1 second.